Hello everyone, welcome back here again to my YouTube channel. So today we have some projects. So this is what we're going to do today is we're adding up a shelf like end to end. So these are the materials that we're gonna be use. I'm using like 1/2 inch plywood and a 2x4. So the shelving is going to be above the garage door. It's going to be the shelving is going to be end to end, and the shelves is going to be only 36 width, and it will have 3 posts hanger to support the shelves. So here's the simple sketch. So it will be 36 down from the ceiling, or it's just about 8 inch above the garage door when it's open. We just need to leave some space for in case of servicing the garage door opening. So here's the plan that I made. So it's actually is going to be almost the same way, just like this. All right, it's gonna have 3 post hanger, and we will anchor the 3 of them, or 4 of them, actually 4. Yeah. So that's how it is going to be. We're gonna bolt them and then secure them properly. So first we gotta check the height, and we gotta go above this one, the garage. So we gotta go at least like a couple inches above, just in case for doing some service on the garage. So we don't want to go too close. All right, so let's do our measurement. All right, so what I'm doing here is I want to check. I want to make a. I want to line up. I want to make a straight line for the framing support that we're gonna put it on, and also locate where the studs. So that way, much easier for us to mount the framing support. Right, so let's do this. And also right here, I double screwed the existing framing studs. So that way, I just wanna secure them properly. All right, so now let's do the first one. Support. Support. All right, so let's just put a stopper underneath the shelving support framing. This is what I do if I do it by myself. With this one, just temporarily. And one more on that side. Alright, so now let's put the support that goes right across. That's the reason why I put that one in, because just to hold it in place for me. One or 3.5. All right, the other one is ready. See, without that stopper, I won't be able to. Oh, hello. That was good. Right now, so let's secure the two corner. I mean the two sides. So one more on the side. I'm just gonna remove the other one. All right, so now we have to put the plywood on top first, because once you finish all the bracing, it's gonna be hard to put on top, right? So there was only the space for me to, in order for me to bring it on top, because in between of this is nowhere gonna go, because the height from the ceiling and top of the wood flooring is less than 36. All right, so now on this side it's slightly different from the other side there, because we have this one already. So I'm just gonna go like that. And there's what's this one? Ceiling joist going this side too. Okay, so let's do that. So that should be this one. Now let's close here. All right, so let's just put this. This is gonna be my last one. So right in the middle, I'm gonna put some bolt, because this is where they joint. Just using 1/4. 1/4 one should be okay. So we're gonna bolt it like 2 here and 2 on the other side. But for now, I'm just gonna put 1 each. Is it? All right, so now what's next thing that we have to do is we're going to anchor a hanger with those support. And with this one here, we're gonna use a bracket, and then we'll bolt it like that. So first, we'll put it like this. Okay. So we're gonna use this 2-inch. Alright, so this one, put it like that. That's okay. Yeah, this one. There you go. We're gonna put the bolt. This one has already number 10. Number 10 screws like this. Each joist. So towards 2 here, 2 here, and 2 over there. But I'm just gonna add up one more. One here, and one here. Alright, so we're going to be doing the same one on that. Alright, so now, like all these ones here already doubled up, but I still wanna put this one on also. Here you go. Alright, and then I'll add up this one too. There you go. All right, so we're done. All right, so this is what we did here. So we used two number 10 4-inch, two here, and then anchor this type, and then we bolted here. I over killed it. Right, so same here, the other side. Bolt it like that. All right, so it looks good. Now we're going to do the shelvings. Right now we're all good. I'm just gonna double more screws on the bracing. Like I put one here, one there. So it's all good now, but I'm just gonna double up. So I'm gonna start maybe on this side. I think we're done. Alright, so now finally we're done for today. This is our over garage shelvings. All right, everyone. Thanks again for watching. I hope that we did something good today. So until next time, I'll see you guys back here again. Thanks again for watching.